What are we doing, Kev?
Building Subies.
Yeah, this is a built short block. I don't really want to say built short block.
Yeah, it's a forged
This
piston.
is a forged piston block that we did. Yeah, customer already traded the car in, so we're just trying to get it running so we can get it out of here because plans kind of changed on it a little bit. It had a cracked piston, didn't hurt the wall or anything, so we're just throwing this thing back together with a manly piston, stock rod, stock everything else, right? Pretty much.
Pretty much.
This is an FA, not an EJ. So it does have timing chains, so we are going to throw the front cover on. It's really windy out here. I just got the front cover siliconed, so we're going to get it chunked on. Alright guys, so we got the Subaru engine mostly put together. Sorry we really didn't update you. It was just hell remembering where everything went. Like, pretty damn bad because these intakes suck. Here's another one that's almost done. There's another one, and there's that other one. There's Kevin's RB, still haven't sent it off. My RB, another RB26, Oscar's car. Plus, we just got a new shop. Sorry, I'm breathing hard. We're just pushing cars. Plus, we got the unit next to us. It's super bright in here. Skyline, skyline, skyline. So yeah, my car is back over here, so we can start on it eventually. Here's Kevin's car. There's where that other RB26 goes. So yeah, definitely got a skyline problem here. Tons of them. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get Oscar's car off the lift so I can pull in the 15 WRX so we can put that engine in. But I did want to update you a little bit on this because I think I did an update, but I haven't uploaded it yet. The ISR control arms are on. The Willwood dual caliper kit is on. Engine and trans is in. Already like mocked up his intercooler piping. Had to do like a little pie cut there. So yeah, I think I don't know if I recorded any of that. I might have. And then got his intercooler mounted, but we are gonna push it over there, move that car, and then get the Subaru in here. So maybe we can get this engine at least stabbed in tonight before we get out of here, because we do need that car to get out of our lives along with all of these other ones. Built trans is here for the Evo, so that needs to go in. It's in that box right over there in the corner. Shep trans, I think it's a stage 2, not completely sure. Some TIG welding bull crap, just the usual stuff. So I'm gonna pop on the tires, get this thing out. He's over there being a samurai, Sharokami. Anyways, we got the clutch and flywheel back on this thing. Sorry, my camera still cannot focus. Kevin hasn't bought me a new camera yet. He threw it one time and just fucked it up. Just kidding, he didn't throw it. But yeah, so the clutch and flywheel are back on this guy. Now we just need to put it in, which sounds like a good job for tomorrow morning, probably. Also gauges on a Dodge tomorrow. And then this RSX, this is kind of a funny, weird deal that just randomly got towed in that you can barely see. Has a supercharger on it. I think it's Robinson? Is that who made that, I think? Yeah, I think it was Robinson supercharger. What happened was, I guess, this lady came in, said her car, her pulley broke off. The mounting bracket for the power steering, I don't know if what happened. She said she was on the highway, but these bolts broke off. They do go in this way, so that's going to be kind of fun. So we'll see what we can do about that one tomorrow. Get her back on her way. Other than that, end up buttoning up Oscar's intercooler piping at some point, so that'll be cool. Got the shop with the skylines in it. That's awesome. Definitely needed that really bad. Kevin's over there being photogenic. Look at you go. My camera ain't focusing. I can't see you. I can't see you. Oh. KA stuff that needs to go in at some point. Fun stuff. There's the Dodge with the gauges. So yeah, we're not really sure on our full plan for this shop. Probably knock down the wall. She said we could, or at least an opening. Got the restroom. Here's my skyline, living in all its glory, but at least it is here. So we can start slowly working on them, especially doing Kevin's because we got to cage it. We are probably going to try and get another lift and just throw it right here at the end of the year. Here's that one that's getting another, or like a done up RB with new head stuff, new turbos. Guy came by today for that car. He also said he was going to bring by another gunmetal car that he wants to do like a race car on. So we'll see. That'd be really cool if he brings another one because then we'll have Super Skyline stuff. Turn this stuff off real quick. Jeez, I couldn't figure it out. I'm all dirty. I think it's time to go home. So yeah, pretty good night. Parking lot looks pretty good. See what old Kevin's doing in here. I see you. I see you. But yeah, guys, I think that is going to be it for this little quick update and stuff. We'll definitely record more of actually working on stuff in the next couple days. The only reason I didn't was because we really needed to like slam that Subaru crap out today. Especially slammed it with all these damn Subarus, man. We're not joking when we say they need to. That's got a problem.
Subie problems.
Subie problems. It's bent just like the rods.
Yeah.
So we just need to get all the Subaru stuff out. We're not really kidding whenever we say that. Definitely need to get them out. It's not that we don't like working on them. We just need to catch up. Like I said earlier, trans needs to go back in this car for this girl. So yeah, and then that's the RB over there that's getting the newer like twin turbos and stuff like that. Just like a stock kind of deal. New head gasket, make sure everything's all right internally, reseal it, do some new upgraded twins on it, and that is about it, guys. So I guess I will see you later, probably tomorrow. And yeah, guys, thanks. Please subscribe.